Mr. President, as our nation confronts this health crisis and the economic crisis it is spawning, Senate Republicans have prepared a bold legislative proposal. I'm officially introducing the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act. This legislation takes bold action on 4 major priorities that are extremely urgent and very necessary. First, direct financial help for the American people. Second, rapid relief for small businesses and their employees. Third, significant steps to stabilize our economy and protect jobs. And fourth, more support for the brave healthcare professionals and the patients who are fighting the coronavirus on the front lines. Now, just yesterday, by an overwhelming vote, the Senate passed bipartisan legislation that originated with the Democratic House of Representatives. So I hope this bold new proposal will find a similar degree of bipartisan respect and mutual urgency on the other side of the aisle and across the Capitol. I look forward to working with our Democratic colleagues and the administration to complete this important work and deliver for our country. Here are the next steps. A group of my Republican colleagues are standing by to explain this legislation and talk with their counterparts. Chairman Crapo and Senator Toomey from the Banking Committee, Chairman Alexander from the Help Committee, Chairman Grassley and Senator Portman from the Finance Committee, Chairman Rubio from the Small Business Committee, as well as Senator Collins, Chairman Wicker from the Commerce Committee, and our Majority Whip, Senator Thune. These will be our point people. I would invite all of their Democratic counterparts to join us at the table tomorrow. These are urgent discussions. They need to happen at a member level, and they need to happen starting right now. I might add, all Republican senators, whether they're part of this group that I just mentioned or not, have been asked to stay in town. We're here. We're ready to act as soon as an agreement with our colleagues across the aisle can be reached. The administration has agreed to send the Secretary of the Treasury, the Director of the National Economic Council, and the White House Director of Legislative Affairs, and they will participate in these discussions, again, beginning tomorrow. These bipartisan discussions must begin immediately and continue with urgency at the member level until we have results. We know this legislation will not be the last word. Bipartisan, bicameral talks are already underway to act on the administration's request, in addition to this, for a supplemental appropriation. But we need to take bold and swift action as soon as possible. We need to take further steps to continue addressing our nation's health care needs. And we need to help protect American workers, families, and small business from this unique economic crisis that threatens to worsen with every single day. We need to have the American people's backs. This legislation is a significant next step. And the Senate is not going anywhere. The Senate is not going anywhere until we take action. Our Republican colleagues are here. They're in town. They're ready to act. We look forward to meeting with our Democratic counterparts tomorrow.